What's going on, everyone? So today we got the brand new DEWALT 20 volt max XR brushless jigsaw sent to you by none other than the Home Depot Prospective Program. I'm going to put the link for this tool in the description below. You know what? Let's get the review started. A lot of DEWALT fans on this channel, really excited to be able to bring this to you. Thanks Home Depot for sending this over for us to take a look at. Now this thing is brand new to the market. A little weird how I actually got it in my hands though. Let's take a look and see what actually happened.
Tool review zone. Welcome to my lair. This is the all new DEWALT 20 volt max XR Jigsaw. You know what you must do if you want to escape. There's no way out of here, tool review zone. So let's get this show on the road and start the choppy.
I'll show you choppy. Yeah, a little weird how that whole thing transpired, but nonetheless we got it in our hands. So let's actually put this thing to work and see what it can do for us. So just like every other DEWALT tool, built very heavy duty, very well. This is a professional jigsaw. The weight on this though is only 4.62 pounds. Of course that's without the battery, but check this out. This is one of the coolest features on this jigsaw. I love this. This is probably the easiest release mechanism on a jigsaw that I have ever used. All you have to do is take that, open it up, slide your blade in there, lift it back up again. Easy, quick release. You don't have to worry about that slider on the front. You just pull up on it. I love it, love it. This is probably my favorite out of all the jigsaws we've ever reviewed. Very well done. I just wanted to point that out. All right, so our cutting test today, we will be using a 4AH 20 volt DEWALT battery. And the first thing we're going to cut through is a 2x6. Before we do, let's check out the variable speed on this. You do have the trigger right here that you can pull and it will adjust automatically. And if you don't want to do that, if you just feel like pulling that trigger and holding it down, check out the adjustment right here. You can go from 1 to 7 on the dial, just right up by the thumb. Very easy to adjust. You will get up to 3,200 strokes per minute on this, and the stroke length on this, 1 inch. Alright, you do have a 4-position orbital action knob right here. All you have to do is move it like so. You have an off and then 3 different orbital action settings. Now we have it on our lowest setting. Let's check it out. Alright, super easy peasy. Now let's turn it all the way off. We'll just do a smooth cut. I am using the variable speed trigger just to see how it works. Alright, real easy to control the speed on that blade with that trigger. Now let's do a plunge cut here. Alright, super easy to do. This thing has tons of power in it. Alright, another thing I noticed while I was using this is not only is it light, it has one of the sleekest designs out of all the saws that we have used. Tons of power, but it does not get in your way while you're working. It is really designed well. I really like how they made this so sleek. Check it out. It's just so smooth. They also got a removable shoe pad right here on the bottom. Really simple to do. Just pop it off. If that thing ever damages, just get a new one, pop it right on. And right here is your adjustment settings. Now you don't get a wrench with this or anything. You'd have to supply your own, but I really do like how easy it is to remove that shoe pad. Don't have to worry about a tool or a screwdriver or anything. Just take that off, replace it, and you're good to go. Now you also got some positive stops right here, which is really nice. So let me show you how to do that. But first we got to release the lever right here. I really like this lever. It's nice and thin and it's not hidden underneath the tool. It's right there for you. It's an easy reach. Just open it up and then lock her down again. You got the detents at 0, 15, and 30 degrees, and then you got the positive stop at 45 degrees. Shoe on this is all metal, but you still have that protective plastic cover you can put over top of this to protect it from damage. And again, if that's damaged, just replace it with a new one. So all in all, the positive stops are actually very easy to control and use. All you got to do is slide that shoe out a little bit, make your adjustment, slide it back in, and then lock it down with the lever. Nice as you can go left or right with it, doesn't matter. Now you got your 45-degree cut. Now you also got some pretty bright LED lights on here. Those are the daylight style lights. And what's nice about it here is that it's not just one single LED light that's up on top. You got two of them up here. Check it out. Pretty bright. Once you pull that trigger, it's ready to go. Lights up that area pretty nice. Now you don't have a back attachment to this, which I gotta be honest with you, I don't use them that much and they don't always work that well. But this one here does have a very nice blower on the front. It takes that dust, blows it away from the blade, so you don't have to worry about it being in your way. Got a really nice line of sight on this saw too. Just because of how compact it is, it really allows you to look at what you're cutting and you don't have to worry about staring and looking around the unit while you're actually doing the job. I know I already mentioned this, but it is light. It is very light and it feels really good in the hands. I really like how they put that adjustment knob up on top right near that thumb so you can adjust it, or you can use the variable speed trigger on this unit. And FYI, it is also brushless in case I didn't mention that. So there is a 3-year warranty on this jigsaw. Now, for the tool itself, the link that I'm putting down here is for tool only. The battery does not come with this tool. I'm sure in the future you will be able to buy the tool with the battery kit and charger. The only two downsides to this tool is, one, you don't have a back hookup area, which a lot of people probably don't care about. And two, you don't have the automatic mode where you can just push the button, let it go by itself, where you don't have to pull the trigger. But other than that, very well made, very nice jigsaw, very heavy duty. Definitely check it out. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Check us out at toolreviewzone.com. We'll be back with more videos soon.